Okay, welcome back to List Building for Affiliate Marketers. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the actual squeeze page copy that you're going to be writing. And if you recall, we need to go ahead and do the squeeze page copy before we start working inside of Dreamweaver. So what are we going to be doing with the squeeze page copy? Well, we need to come up with a headline. And as you remember, maybe you have taken some copywriting courses or read some copywriting books, but basically your headline needs to grab attention. It needs to be something that kind of grabs the reader by their throat and then also presents to them the main or the chief benefit of what your product is going to be offering. Now, in this particular case, what you're trying to do is you're trying to get them to opt in. So you're trying to give them the chief benefit of what they're going to get as soon as they opt in. And so you want to make sure that your headline really promises this and that you have something on the other side of that opt in that's going to give them that benefit. So part of this is really going to be picking your bribe, which we'll talk about here in a minute. You want to make sure that you add in whatever your bribe's benefits are, and we call those bribe bullets. You're going to have that inside of your, inside of your copy there, and then you're also going to have both a pre-headline and sub-headline, and we're going to take a look at that because really we're going to take this information from the affiliate tools because this is what they're actually going to get. We've actually got access to a report that the Tao of Badass is going to give us. We're going to give them that opt-in report, and we're going to use that in order to attract people who are interested in dating into our marketing funnel. So basically, we're really using the affiliate tools. They've got great copy, and we're using those affiliate tools in order to attract them into our funnel without having to write a lot of copy or anything like that. So let's go and grab this information from the affiliate tools. Okay, so we're inside of the affiliate tools area. So what are we going to give away? Well, they actually have a branded report here. Some of these are bonus for buyers, but we can use the use for anyone attraction flowchart. And let's just take a look at it to just get a sense for what folks are going to be getting. Of course, we can just go ahead and download that. We'll pull that up now here. Okay, so what they're going to get when they opt into our list is they're going to get this play-by-play attraction guide, and it's going to be brandable. So if they click the link, it's going to go to our affiliate link. But what we're doing is we're leveraging the copy in order to help people to come into our marketing funnel. So we're really going to be giving this report away. It's already done for us, and we don't have to do anything with it. It's going to show guys how to date better. Right? So we just want to make sure that our copy does that. Of course, what's going to happen is as soon as they click this link inside of here, they're going to end up going inside of the other marketing funnel, right? They're going to end up inside of the folks who do the Tao of Badass. But we really still will have their we'll still have their email address. We'll still be able to email them, and then we'll still be able to provide value to them, right? So let's go to the next step. So okay, so that's our report, the play-by-play attraction guide. So let's go and get the rest of our copy here. Okay, so remember we need a pre-headline, a headline, a sub-headline, some text, and some bullets. So those are the things that we're looking for in order to do our copy ahead of time. So let's now take a look at the affiliate tools here. Okay, to get our pre-headline and our headline, we can probably use any of these PPC ads or the solo or classified ads. Weird Trick Discovered will help you to get girls without traveling. Okay, so this will probably fit our opt-in, right? That'll fit our report, right? Our attraction guide. So we can probably just take this as it is. So let's just take this, and then we're going to put that into our headline section. Okay, so that's now in our headline section. Well, let's go back and see if we can find a short pre-headline. Okay, these PPC ads, they're typically pretty good. We can use any one of these as long as they're relative to what the people are going to get when they opt in. We could just say, do you want to date hotter women? So we could just take this one at the top and we'll turn that into our pre-headline. I'm going to copy that one. And we're going to do here is I'm going to drop that one in there. We're not going to use the whole thing, but okay, we've got our pre-headline. We still need a sub-headline, main text, and bullets. Okay, so we can probably take one of these for our for our sub-headline, and we'll probably need maybe another one of these for our main text. So let's take a couple of these. I'm going to take the ones that are a little more general. Instantly attract girls. We'll take that one. Okay, so we've got a subheadline. We can see if we can use a main text, and that'll help us to write our bullets. And we can just take any one of these. Maybe we'll take this one. Okay, so we've got some main text there, and then we'll just add in our bullets based on we'll add in our benefit bullets based on the actual report. And we can really take this straight from the guide. We've got our guide here. This is what they're going to get. And we could take this and just take it right from there. We can call this the say they're going to get the play-by-play attraction guide, and then we can just take this benefit here. Ever been chatting it up with a chick? And just take me home in time to the bed now. So we can add that to the squeeze page there, and that'll be pretty much our benefit bullet. If we want to add another one here, we could do this one. Here's a benefit. Find the nearest hot girl that you'd like to get attracted to you. So again, we're not talking about what they're going to learn in here. We're talking about what's going to happen when they learn it, right? So what's the benefit of learning what they're going to learn in this report? That's what we want to put on the squeeze page, because that will really psychologically get them to want to opt in and get the report. So we can just take this information and we'll just add it straight from here. I don't think we can cut and paste this, so we'll just have to write this in. Okay, so we've got all our information here. I'm going to make sure we differentiate these things so we'll know. We just won't want to get them. We don't want to get them mixed up there. I'm just going to change this. And don't worry, because it's not necessarily going to go into it's not necessarily going to go in there like that. So we'll just change that. Okay, so we've got our copywriting, and the bullets are going to come from the guide. So now we can go to the squeeze page. Okay, so with that, this video is getting a little long, so we will now go to the next video and we'll actually enter this information into our squeeze page.